How to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to phone. How to connect Turtle. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to find out how to connect the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to phone. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So first thing is you need to power on your headset, and for that you need to hold the power button on the headset for a few seconds until you see the lights flash. And if you have the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2, make sure it is in Bluetooth pairing mode. You can do this by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button located on the left ear cup until the blue LED starts blinking. After that, move to your phone and go to your settings and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and then your phone will start scanning for nearby devices. Once it is turned on, you should see the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 in the list of available devices. It may appear as 600 Stealth or something similar. Just tap on it to pair. Within a few seconds, you'll be hearing a confirmation sound or see a message saying that the headset is connected. To make sure everything is working, try playing some music or a video to your phone and make a test call. And that is it. Now you've successfully connected your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to your phone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. And if you got any questions or tips, you can drop them in the comments below and we will get back to you.